Roborock has carved out a stellar reputation in the robot vacuum market, crafting devices that marry powerful suction with sophisticated mopping technologies and remarkably low maintenance demands. Among their lineup, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra emerges as a pinnacle of engineering, delivering extraordinary cleaning performance with an automated docking system that transforms household cleaning into an almost effortless experience. Enter the game-changing Q Revo Curve AI 2024, Roborock's latest innovation that boldly challenges its predecessor with promises of enhanced power, cutting-edge design, and revolutionary features. The burning question: can this newcomer dethrone the S8 MaxV Ultra and claim its place as the ultimate home cleaning companion? Let's meticulously examine the details and determine which robotic marvel truly deserves prime real estate in your living space. The Q Revo Curve takes a bold approach with its aesthetics. Its dock isn't the typical box shape. It's housed in a futuristic dome-like structure that's as much a conversation piece as it is functional. Inside the curved dock are compartments for clean water, dirty water, and a dust bag. On the other hand, the S8 MaxV Ultra sticks to a more traditional design with an angular dock. It may not stand out visually, but it's highly functional, with a dedicated detergent compartment for enhanced mopping. Both docks handle self-cleaning and drying well, ensuring the mopping pads are fresh and ready after each use. If you want a vacuum that complements sleek modern decor, the Curve will likely catch your eye. When it comes to sheer power, the Q Revo Curve takes the crown with an astounding 18,500 pascals of suction. That's nearly double the 10,000 pascals offered by the S8 MaxV Ultra. This makes the Curve a beast for cleaning thick carpets, pet hair, and deep-seated dirt. Its new Duo Divide brush is also optimized for tangle-free performance, making it ideal for households with furry friends. While the S8 MaxV Ultra offers less suction, it's still more than capable of handling hard floors and low-pile carpets. Unless your home is filled with thick, high-pile carpets, the difference in power might not be noticeable in day-to-day cleaning. It can automatically adjust its suction levels based on the type of floor it's cleaning and has impressive obstacle detection to avoid bumping into things like cords or shoes. Both of these robots are top-tier moppers, but they go about it differently. The S8 MaxV Ultra uses a vibrating mop plate that scrubs your floors at 4,000 vibrations per minute. It also has a handy side mop for cleaning closer to walls and baseboards. What's cool about the S8 MaxV Ultra is that it automatically dispenses detergent from its dock, giving your floors an extra sparkle with minimal effort. Meanwhile, the Q Revo Curve features two spinning mopping pads, one of which can swing outward to reach tight spots around furniture and baseboards. While it doesn't have the auto detergent feature, its mopping performance is right up there with the S8 MaxV Ultra. Plus, the swinging mops give it a slight edge when it comes to reaching tough areas. Both robots also lift their brushes to keep carpets dry while mopping, and both docking stations are smart enough to clean and dry their mops after each use. When it comes to additional features, both robots pack some serious tech. The S8 MaxV Ultra boasts Roborock's Rocky Voice Assistant, a built-in voice control system that lets you command the robot to start cleaning or even send pictures of objects it avoids. It's a cool feature, but it's not without its quirks, as it can sometimes struggle with understanding certain commands. On the Q Revo Curve, while it doesn't have the voice assistant, its advanced Roborock app still lets you control everything from suction settings to creating restricted zones. Both robots are highly customizable through the app, so you can set your cleaning preferences with ease. One standout feature for the Q Revo Curve is its ability to modify the cleaning route on the fly based on how dirty the floor is, making it one of the smartest vacuums on the market. Both vacuums offer the ability to create custom cleaning schedules, set restricted zones, and adjust settings like suction and water flow. But the Q Revo Curve's map flexibility and added chassis lifting feature make it a more versatile cleaner for homes with complex layouts or obstacles. Now let's talk about price. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra comes in at a whopping $1,800, making it one of the most expensive robot vacuums on the market. The Q Revo Curve, while also pricey, is expected to cost around $1,450 in the US. That's still a significant investment, but for the added suction and innovative design, it might offer better value for those looking to future-proof their cleaning arsenal. Choosing between the Roborock Q Revo Curve and the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra comes down to your specific needs. The Q Revo Curve wins on suction power, sleek design, and versatility with carpets and tight spaces. If your home demands top-tier suction and you prefer a futuristic look, this new model is an excellent choice. On the other hand, the S8 MaxV Ultra remains a solid option for those with mixed flooring and a need for automated detergent dispensing. Its mature design and extensive feature set ensure a hands-off cleaning experience, making it ideal for those who want maximum convenience. So, which one fits your cleaning style?
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.